Today, pag-uusapan natin kung ano itong laptop na mas manipis, mas magaan kesa sa average gaming laptops. At the same time, solid yung kanyang specifications, pati na rin yung kanyang performance. What's up guys, it's me again, your Kuya Arns, and today we're diving deep into the Asus VivoBook 16X gaming laptop K3605, a powerhouse designed for gamers and creators alike. So in this video, explore natin yung kanyang features, performance, and everything that makes it stand out sa gaming laptop market. But before that, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell para lagi kayong mag-updated sa mga future uploads namin. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. Etong hawak natin ngayon is the Asus VivoBook 16X, which has an impressive array of features. From performance to design, it is equipped with the latest technology to enhance your gaming experience. So yung key highlights natin dito includes a powerful Intel i5 processor, yung kanyang NVIDIA RTX graphics, pati na rin yung kanyang napakandang display. So una nating pag-uusapan is yung kanyang performance. At with the Intel i5 13420H processor, pati na rin yung kanyang NVIDIA RTX 3050, masasabi kong itong si VivoBook 16X will deliver exceptional speed. It turbo boosts up to 4.2 GHz, making it ideal for high-demand games. So later on this video, magkakaroon tayo ng mga sample gameplays like the Dota 2, Farlight, Apex Legends, at kung ano pa yung pwede natin gawin dito. And meron siyang 8GB DDR4 memory plus 512GB SSD. At syempre, i-discuss din natin yung kanyang upgradability. So make sure na mag-stay kayo and you will watch the whole video. So this laptop features a stunning 16-inch WUXJ IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate. Ibig sabihin lang nito, ma-enjoy mo yung vibrant colors and fluid motion, whether you're gaming or working on creative projects. And with the low light certification, for sure hindi nasasakit yung inyong mga mata during those long working sessions. At isa pang feature nito is pwede natin siyang i-open ng hanggang 180 degrees kagaya nito. So, diba? Tapos pwede natin siyang ibalik dito, 90 degrees. Isa din sa nagustuhan ko is yung pag-integrate ni Asus ng advanced cooling technology that keeps this laptop cool under pressure. Makikita natin dito sa ating heat scanner yung temperature ng ating VivoBook 16X. With up to 70 watts cooling capacity and a liquid crystal polymer fan, pwede kang mag-game hard without overheating. Plus, the fast charging 70 watt-hour battery ensures that you're powered up in no time. Ito nga pala yung itsura na kanyang power adapter. Very small and very portable. Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang power adapter na mabibigat, although ganito lang siya kaliit. Kaya naman niyang i-power up itong ating laptop up to 50% in just 30 minutes. In terms of design, I would say it is designed for the modern gamer. It is very sleek and portable and available to in full silver and in the black. Meron siyang width na 35.86 cm, depth of 23.91 cm, and height of 1.89 cm only. And it only weighs 1.8 kilograms. Imagine, mas magaan siya kaysa sa ibang gaming laptops na available sa market na usually nag-weigh ng up to 2 kilograms and height of 2 centimeters. Plus, it meets the MILSTD 810H military durability standards, ensuring that it can withstand tough environments. Meaning, hindi siya basta-basta masisira kahit na accidentally mahulog natin siya or madaganan kasi meron siyang military durability. As for the keyboard, pinaprioritize ni Asus yung comfort ng kanilang mga users. And that is why merong satisfying feel itong kanilang Asus ErgoSense keyboard. It has an optimum key bounce and travel calculated with fine-tuned precision. Dapat mo ding ma-experience itong kanilang ErgoSense keyboard and for sure, masasabi mo ding napakaganda ng feel itong kanilang keyboard. Narinig mo na ba yung Dirac technology? Hindi pa? So, Dirac Spatial Audio Solutions is the technology used by Asus sa kanilang ROG 7 series phones. Then, integrate nila ito sa kanilang VivoBook series laptops, which lets us users experience immersive audio with Asus Dirac technology. So, this VivoBook 16X delivers clear, balanced sound na talaga namang ma-elevate yung inyong gaming experience. By the way, ito nga pala yung nakuha nating measurement using the decibel meter. for me, masasabi kong napakaganda talaga ng sounds nito. Kasi hindi siya kagaya ng ibang laptops na parang medyo basag o parang kulob yung kanyang audio. So for me personally, nagagandahan talaga ako sa kanyang audio. Plus, meron siyang variety of ports including the Thunderbolt 4 and USB-C for a seamless connectivity, whether you're gaming or you're attending a virtual meeting. So isa-isahin natin itong mga ports na meron si Asus VivoBook 16X. Meron siyang one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C with support for power delivery with data speed up to 5 GB per second. Meron din siyang two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A ports with data speed up to 5 GB per second. And one HDMI 2.1 TMDS. And by the way, itong HDMI 2.1 can support up to 4K 60Hz external monitor. Meron din siyang isang 3.5mm combo audio jack and one DC in. And meron na rin siyang SD 4.0 card reader, and ito yung isa sa nagustuhan ko kasi kapag gumagamit ka ng mga DSLR or cameras with SD cards and micro SD cards, hindi ka naman problema pa sa inyong card reader kasi hindi lahat ng laptops merong SD card slot. And good thing na meron itong si VivoBook 16X nitong ating SD card slot. As for the camera, meron siyang 720p resolution with privacy shutter. So eto yung kanyang privacy shutter. Eto naman yung ating sample recording using its camera. And isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa kanya is meron siyang auto adjust feature based sa ating lightings. So for example, biglang nawala yung ating ilaw. Yan, so makikita natin na medyo madilim yung ating output and gradually mag-auto adjust siya. And kapag binalik naman natin yung ating ilaw, yan, medyo maliwanag. At syempre, mag-auto adjust din siya. As what I have said earlier, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga pwede nating i-upgrade dito kay Asus VivoBook 16. So disclaimer lang, kung hindi kayo knowledgeable na mag-open ng laptop, please do not try this. And i-open ko siya for the sole purpose of this video. And Allworld is an authorized service partner ng Asus, so allowed kami na mag-open nitong ating mga Asus laptops. Of course, with the help of our service technician. Unang-una, kailangan natin tanggalin yung mga screws. And for this unit, meron tayong total of 9 screws. Then, remove the back cover. Gently lift the cover para iwas gasgas or pagkasira sa plastic cover. So, we have here the battery pack with 11.55 volts and 50 watt-hour rating. Dito meron tayong speakers, meron din tayong one-piece cooling fan. Ito yung kanyang heatsink, the Wi-Fi adapter, the 512GB SSD storage, the memory, so meron siyang additional slot for memory upgrade, battery connector, and yung ating mga ports. The Asus VivoBook 16X also comes with My Asus software. So dito, pwede nating ma-optimize yung performance and battery life ng ating laptop. It also offers easy access sa system settings and features like the AI noise cancelling technology for clear communication during online gaming, pati na rin sa meetings. So itong ating VivoBook 16X ay available sa lahat ng ating mga branches dito sa Allworld, and pwede mo din siya ma-purchase sa aming website, allworld.com.ph, or you can contact us sa aming Facebook page, Allworld Communications. So overall, itong si Asus VivoBook 16X is a great choice for gamers and creators, lalong-lalo na sa mga kaibigan natin na mga digital nomads na laging on the go. Kasi for me personally, gustong-gusto ko yung pagiging lightweight niya and yung kanyang portability. And at the same time, meron siya nung specs na hinahanap ko sa isang laptop, like the high-performance processor na Intel i5 13th Gen processor at yung kanyang GPU na RTX 3050. Plus yung kanyang power efficiency kasi mas matagal itong malobat kesa sa average ng mga gaming laptops. So kung naghahanap ka ng gaming laptop sa market, then this Asus VivoBook 16X deserves your attention. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews. And kung may mga katanungan kayo about this laptop, the Asus VivoBook 16X, just drop it down sa comment section below. And it's me again, your Kuya Arns of Allworld Communications, your #1 tech partner, and see you on our next video.